Resist. Good. Resist. Good. Good. Resist. Not so good. Resist. Okay. So take this knee. Right here, I'll just do it. Right here. Resist. Okay. So we're off on this side. Now I've been putting you on your side of the chest. You see. You're going to face that direction. Good water. So you might want to swing that thing. There's not going to be more. So just bend, bend. Put it on. You don't fall on this. And you skipped out on me the other day.
Oh, boy.
All right, go to the other side. Move well. Very good once again. There we go. You won't fall, I promise. All right, now lie down on your back. You're okay. You're good. Just breathe. All right. Very good. Now you're equal in length, and this will be nice and strong. Resist. There you go. Let's just test. Resist. Hold out here. Good. Resist. Good. Resist. Good. Resist. Good. All right. Lift. Hold right up. Hold that. Get it off from you. There we go. The other one. Relax. Resist. Good. Resist. Yep. Very good. See one. There.
Oh, I heard it.
Uh-huh. Lift. Resist. Good. Resist. Resist. Hold it up. Now, right there. Resist. Yeah. Squeeze. Resist. All right. Really good. All right, now you're going to turn over face down. Ready? Resist. Good. Lift up. Resist. Good. And this one, resist. Good. Lift. Good. All right. Both hands, one on each side. There you go. Don't put them together. There you go. Actually, let's not be too lazy. Here we go. Turn them over. Then you can do that. Perfect. Ready? Resist. So we got a problem. Go ahead and take them down. You remember, you can put these right up here. There you go. So resist. Okay. Resist. All right, so it's on the right. Going to the blocks. Feel okay up here?
Yeah,
How about here?
feel okay now.
Okay. Here we go. Let's do another test. Take a deep breath in and hold it. Resist. Here, breathe. Hold, resist. Good. Blow it all out. Hold. Hold. Good. Relax. Very good. Let's stay up here. Resist. Good. And the whole rise. You're going to flip over on your back. Trying to get a big hug. Okay. So let me do this. Just I'm going to bring you this way. Just like there we go. Okay, you have your arms. Hold it. And relax. Take a breath in. Let it out. Very good. Okay. I'll sit you up, right? Go ahead.